The GWC-A-1200 wire mesh welding machine is developed for efficient and intelligent mesh production. The entire production line requires only 1 to 2 operators, making operation simple and convenient and highly efficient. Designed for producing 3 to 7 mm wire mesh with stable welding quality and continuous output. Widely used in railways, bridges, tunnels, steel structures, prefabricated housing, and other construction fields. Reliable automation for higher productivity and lower labor costs.